Hello dears, we are studying JEE MCQ and our today's question is the property of the material to regain its original shape after deformation when the external forces are removed is. Options given: A. Plasticity, B. Elasticity, C. Durability and D. None of these. Question says the material, when apply the force on the material, then deformation takes place on the material. When remove the force from material, then it's regain our shape and size. So this property is called, according to the question, 4 option is given. We have to find the correct option for this question. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2018, which is from strength of material. Now in the 4 option, option D is given none of these. So it will be correct if 3 options will be wrong. Now option A. So in the option A is given plasticity. So what is plasticity? First we see the what is plasticity. Plasticity is the property of material. When apply the force on the material, then deformation takes place on the material. And when remove the forces from the material or load from the material, then material does not completely regain our shape and size, and this property is called plasticity. The material which do not regain the shape and size after removing the external force or load is called plastic material, and this type of property is called plasticity. And this type of property is plasticity. Suppose this one is material and we apply the forces. This one is material and we apply the forces. This two forces P is apply on the material, and L is the length of the material. When apply the forces on the material, then deformation takes place, that is del L. But when remove the forces from the material, then material do not completely regain our shape and size. When force equals to P, then deformation equals to del L. But when P equals to 0, then deformation, that is del L, does not equals to 0. So this property is called plasticity. Next option, option C. Option C is given durability. So what is durability? Durability, it is the property of material, the material ability to withstand wear, pressure or damage, hard wearing. So this is durability. That is, it says it is how long it will keep taking its design load. It is how long it will keep taking its design load. So that property is called durability. It is how long it will keep taking its design load. So this one is durability. So according to the question, this option A and C will be wrong. Next option B is given elasticity. So now we will see elasticity. What is elasticity? Elasticity is the property of material by virtue of which when apply forces on the material or when apply load on the material, then material will deform. But when remove the forces from the material, then material completely regain our shape and size, and that property is called elasticity of the material. Elasticity, the property of material by virtue of which material completely regain our shape and size after removing the external force or load. When apply the force on the material, then material will deform and its shape and size will change. But when remove the forces or load, then material completely regain our shape and size, and that property is called elasticity. Suppose this one is material and L is the length of material, and we apply the forces P. When apply the forces P, then deformation takes place, that is del L. This is the deformation. So when force equals to P, then deformation is equals to del L. And when P equals to 0, then deformation, that is del L, is equals to 0, and that property is called elasticity. So according to the question, the option B will be correct, that is elasticity. So answer is option B, elasticity. The property of the material to regain its original shape after deformation when the external forces are removed is, its correct answer is option B, elasticity, and option A, C, D will be wrong. So for this question, its correct answer is option B, elasticity. And today's question is over. Thanks for watching.